Today I will be reviewing the BM8000. It comes with a pop shield, a shock mount, XLR to 3.5mm jack. If you wanted to plug it into a sound card, but this mic requires 48 volts of phantom power. The audio is being recorded by a program called Cool Edit Pro, aka Adobe Audition 1.5. The mic I'm using is the BM8000. The audio interface that I'm using is the Behringer Euphoria UM2. I purchased this for $39.99 on fullcompass.com. The link will be in the description below. I am about to switch from my audio interface to the sound card so you can tell the difference. Right now, the audio that you're hearing is coming from my sound card. In this recording, I had to amplify the vocals so you guys will be able to hear it, even though it's still picked up as a low volume when I was up close to the microphone using my sound card. Have any questions, leave them in the comment section below.